Hey guys, it's me here on this hot 90-degree day. I'm going to do some adjustments to my Tahoe. As you can see, I got my new steering wheel in, and out of an Escalade we're going to be putting that in, but first I've got to paint it and get it to match the dark color of my existing interior. My new replacement steering wheel, just got it on eBay, and it's going to go into the Tahoe. But first we're going to have to paint to match this current color, and fortunately I'll still be able to use the airbag that's in there. I don't care about the Cadillac emblem, I just like the wood grain and the way it feels when we're driving down the road. I remember one time I test drove an Escalade before I bought this, and I just really like the way this wood grain feels, and I'm pretty excited about getting this installed. Now, as you can see, it looks like this steering wheel is ready to go bye-bye. It's kind of a dark, I don't know what color that is, more of a blue. So we're going to have to take a trip to O'Reilly's and see about getting a match for that. Okay, here we are guys at the auto parts store. We're going to go in and take a look and see if we can find the right paint for this steering wheel. Well, here we are, Walmart. I think they have the same paint here anyways, plus it's probably going to be cheaper. So we'll go for round 2. I'll see if I see any kind of leather dyes while I'm in here. If not, we'll just go with the plastic paint and we'll see if it sticks. It'll be a cool experiment. We found something even better, and that is dye. I have a feeling this will work better on the leather. I did go ahead and buy some Rust-Oleum fabric and vinyl paint as well for the plastic parts on the steering wheel itself. But for $10, sure beats paying somebody a lot of money to do the same thing. I started using the dye and it's working pretty good. I think I might take a couple of coats. So there it is. Okay guys, so I tried the dye. It worked, but it came out really dull, and you can see all the brush strokes. And so So then I decided to just try the paint. And so far, it's looking okay. Well, here's the finished product. Came out pretty nice. What do you think, babe? And it's pretty much the same color as the existing wheel, which I'll show you here. So, just a matter of, next step will be installing the new one, and pretty soon I'll have that nice wheel I've been wanting.